Eating a wide variety of nutritious foods, including fruit, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and lean protein can help support your overall health. Many foods are both healthy and tasty. By filling your plate with fruits, vegetables, quality protein sources, and other whole foods, you'll have meals that are colorful, versatile, and good for you.
10 tips for healthy eating. Making healthy food choices doesn't have to be overwhelming. These tips I'm going to share with you today will get you on your way. Tip 1. Cook at home more often to avoid processed foods. Tip 2. How you eat is as important as what you eat. Enjoy your meals without multitasking. Tip 3. Listen to your body. Eat when you are hungry and stop when you are satisfied. Tip 4. Eat at regular times. Tip 5. Plan healthy snacks. Tip 6. Eat a variety of vegetables and fruit at every meal. Tip 7. Eat whole grains more often. Tip 8. Eat fish at least twice a week. Tip 9. Include legumes like beans, chickpeas, lentils, nuts, and seeds more often. Tip 10. Don't be afraid of fat. Choose olive oil and canola oil more often. The healthiest breakfast is the best thing you can give your body in the morning, and I believe you should include a cooked egg and 2 dates in your meal. Your immune system will benefit, and it will also aid in weight loss. They both have the ideal quantity of protein and offer a variety of other advantages.